In this video, we're going to talk about cooking safely using colour-coded equipment and cloths in the workplace. Firstly, let's start with the importance of colour-coding equipment with two questions for you guys. Question 1. What food items are the blue knife used for? Question 2. What food items are the white chopping board used for? Drop your answers in the comments below. So that brings us nicely onto cloths. Cloths can be one of the top causes of cross-contamination in the kitchen. It is essential to use them safely to prevent bacteria and allergens from spreading onto food, hands, surfaces and equipment. Using damaged cloths could also allow threads of material into the food chain and cause physical contamination as well as bad bacteria causing serious food issues. As a thank you for watching, please download your free colour code wall chart from the comments box below. Thank you for watching.